Welcome to week 6. This is the week everything shifts. In weeks 1 through 5, you learn to use AI as a tool, a brilliant assistant you ask for help and it responds. But you're always in the driver's seat, always prompting. Starting today, you learn Agentic AI. This is AI that works for you in the background, automatically while you sleep, while you're in meetings, while you focus on higher value work. You're not just using AI anymore, you're deploying it. Let's build your first digital worker. Session 6.1, Understanding AI Agents, your digital workforce. So what exactly is an AI agent? Think of the difference between hiring a consultant versus hiring an employee. A consultant, like regular ChatGPT, gives you advice when you ask. But an employee, an agent, works independently. You give them a goal and they figure out the steps. Here's the practical difference. Regular AI like ChatGPT needs your input every time. You ask, it responds. One conversation at a time. You copy and paste results manually. Agentic AI works automatically. It triggers on its own, from an email, a calendar event, a new file. It executes multi-step workflows. It directly updates your spreadsheets, sends emails, logs data. No copy pasting, no prompting. These agents are perfect for repetitive tasks you do every week, saving job postings to a spreadsheet automatically, sending follow-up reminders for applications, logging expenses from emailed receipts, extracting action items from meeting transcripts, scheduling LinkedIn posts from a content calendar. Any task that follows a pattern and takes up your time, that's an agent waiting to be built. Session 6.2, Free Agent Building Platforms. You don't need to code to build agents. Several platforms let you drag and drop your way to automation. Zapier is the easiest to learn, great for simple automations. Free tier gives you 100 tasks per month. Microsoft Power Automate works beautifully if you live in Microsoft 365, Outlook, Teams, Excel. Free tier offers 750 runs per month. N8N is powerful but complex. It's open source and free if you host it yourself, but requires technical comfort. Make.com is our recommended choice for this course. It offers the best balance of power and ease. The free tier gives you 1,000 operations per month, plenty for learning. It has native AI capabilities built in, a visual drag and drop builder, and connects to over 1,000 apps. And there's an active community with tutorials for everything. We'll use Make.com for your first agent project. Session 6.3, Hands-on Project 1, Job Application Tracker Agent. Let's build something useful immediately. Imagine this. You find a job posting online. You forward the email to yourself with job application in the subject. Within seconds, an AI agent reads that email, extracts the company name, position, deadline, and requirements, logs everything to a Google Sheet, and sends you a confirmation. No manual data entry, no forgotten applications, just automatic tracking. Here's how to build it in about 20 minutes. Step 1, set up your tools. If you haven't already, create a free account at Make.com. Create a new Google Sheet titled Job Applications. Add these columns: date, company, position, URL, status, notes. Step 2, build the agent in Make.com. Start with Module 1, Gmail trigger. Choose Watch Emails. Set it to watch for emails where the subject contains job application. Add Module 2, OpenAI. This is where AI reads the email. Use this prompt. Extract from this email: company name, position title, job URL, application deadline, and key requirements. Return as JSON. For the input, insert the email body from Module 1. Add Module 3, Google Sheets. Choose Add a row. Map the data. Date. Insert the current date and time company from the AI output position from the AI output. Status, type applied. Notes from the AI output, key requirements. Add Module 4, Gmail. Choose Send an email. Compose a simple confirmation. Tracked, position at company has been logged in your job application sheet. Connect the modules in order: Gmail trigger, OpenAI, Google Sheets, confirmation email. Step 3, test your agent. Save your scenario and turn it on. Send yourself an email with job application in the subject. Paste a real job posting in the body. Watch Make.com process it in real time. Open your Google Sheet. The data should appear automatically. Congratulations, you just built your first AI agent.